probability with tree diagrams. So right now we're going to focus on the tree diagram. Here's a problem we can use for an example. Probability. 3 students with different names line up single file. What is the probability that they are in alphabetical order from front to back? Express your answer as a common fraction. Okay, so we know there's 3 students. Now it's time to name them. How about Jim, Bob, and Sarah? Now it's time to alphabetize the names. So we know Jim goes second, Bob goes first, and Sarah is last. Now it's time to make the tree diagram. So first let's write Bob, Jim, and Sarah's names. Let's branch them off to show all the different possibilities. And we can first put Bob, Jim, Sarah, and then Bob, Sarah, and Jim, and then Jim, Bob, and Sarah, and then Jim, Sarah, and Bob, and last Sarah, Jim, Bob, and Sarah, Bob, and Jim. We have finished our simple tree diagram. Now let's find an answer. Okay, so we have 3 elements that can be mixed around in several different ways. And our tree diagram already has that, so we can get rid of that. But now we know there are 6 possibilities. One of them are alphabetized correctly from front to back, and Bob, Jim, and Sarah match up with the very first one, Bob, Jim, and Sarah, so we can just circle that just to show that one's alphabetized from front to back. So we already know there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 possibilities. We can conclude that there's a 1 out of 6 chance that their names would be alphabetized from front to back, making our answer, which is supposed to be expressed as the fraction 1/6. Alright, let's get back to those little number pieces. Ta-da! That's how you do it. You have learned, young grasshopper.